In this video, we're going to cover 15 eucalyptus essential oil recipes. Now, a few of them will be for cleaning, some will be for sore muscles, respiratory support, and diffuser blends, as well as some other recipes. Now, our first recipe is a DIY all-purpose spray, and the ingredients are 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 3/4 cups of water, and 30 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Now, we're going to add all of the ingredients to a 16-ounce spray bottle, and we're going to shake it thoroughly. And then we're going to spritz it on the surfaces that we want to clean, and then we'll wipe them clean. Our next recipe is a leather shoe cleaner. And what we're going to need is a 1/2 cup of warm water. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. To start with, we're going to wipe the shoes off with a slightly dampened cloth to remove the surface dirt. And then we're going to combine the water, vinegar, and the eucalyptus in a 4-ounce glass spray bottle and shake it up good. Then we'll lightly spritz the surface of the leather and wipe off our shoes using a soft cloth like an old cotton t-shirt that we've cut into squares or something like that, and then we'll let them dry. This next one is similar to the last one, but this recipe is leather polish. For this one, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of fractionated coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 5 to 10 drops of eucalyptus oil. We're going to combine all of the ingredients into a small glass dish and then mix it thoroughly. And then to use it, we're going to dip a toothbrush or other cleaning tool into the mixture and rub it over the leather surface to clean and condition it. And then we'll wipe it clean with a microfiber cloth and let any extra moisture dry before use. Now, we have 12 more great recipes for you. But first, if you're new to essential oils, make sure to grab my free download where I cover the best essential oils for beginners. I'll not only show you the best ones to use as a beginner, but also how to use them, along with some awesome recipes for using them as well. So grab that free download by going to the link in the description below this video. Now, several of these recipes that we're covering here today come from a couple great essential oil reference books that have a lot of other great recipes and blends as well. So I'll link those books up in the description of this video if you'd like to check them out. Our next eucalyptus oil recipe is called Muscle Soothing Bath Salts. For this, we're going to need 6 drops of eucalyptus oil, 12 drops of lavender oil, and 2 cups of Epsom salts. We're going to mix all the ingredients together and store them in an airtight container. And to use them, we're going to put a 1/2 cup of the mixture in a warm bath and soak for up to 30 minutes. Now, up next, we have a recipe called Sinus Solace Massage Oil. The ingredients for this are 8 drops of eucalyptus oil, 5 drops of cardamom oil, 5 drops of rosemary oil, and 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil. We're going to combine all of the oils in an amber glass bottle and shake it up good. And then to use it, we're going to massage a few drops on our temples, our chest, and our back. This next one is for you if you want to keep bugs and critters away. This one is called Insect Shoe Spray. For this, we're going to need 4 drops of blue tansy, 4 drops of citronella, 4 drops of lavender, and 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oils. In an 8-ounce spray bottle, we're going to put all the oils, and then we're going to top it off with water. Make sure to shake it well, and then spray it where you want to keep the bugs and the critters away. Now, if you want to clear your airways and breathe more easily, then you'll want to give this diffuser blend a try. This blend is called Breathe Easy, and in your diffuser, you're going to want to put 3 drops of cardamom, 2 drops of eucalyptus, and 1 drop of lemon eucalyptus. Now, if you're finding value in this video, hit subscribe and that thumbs up button to let us know. That helps more people see this video. Now, our next recipe is called the Throbbing Joint Blend. The ingredients for this are 12 drops of ginger oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil, 8 drops of eucalyptus oil, and fractionated coconut oil. We're going to mix all of the oils in a 10 ml roller bottle and top it off with fractionated coconut oil. And then we're going to use this blend when we're wanting to calm and soothe joint discomfort. Next, we have the Cold Buster Inhaler. For this, we're going to use 7 drops of myrrh oil, 7 drops of eucalyptus, and 7 drops of cardamom oil. We're going to add the essential oils onto the cotton wick and assemble the inhaler, and then we're going to use it when we're dealing with a cold or we need to promote easy breathing. Now, if you want to try out this recipe but you don't have an inhaler, I'll link up some great inhalers in the description below this video that can be used with essential oils. Now, up next, we have the Tension Reliever Blend. For this, we're going to need 10 drops of peppermint oil, 10 drops of eucalyptus oil, and fractionated coconut oil. We're going to put both the peppermint and the eucalyptus oils in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, and then we're going to fill it to the top with the fractionated coconut oil and shake it up good. Then we're going to apply it to our temples, the back of our head, our neck, and our shoulders to help relieve the tension. Now, this eucalyptus oil recipe is called Wound Cleansing Spray. For this, we'll need 5 drops of lemon oil, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of frankincense oil, 5 drops of eucalyptus oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 4 ounces of distilled water. Now we're going to combine all of the oils in a glass spray bottle with the half teaspoon of salt and 4 ounces of distilled water. Then we're going to spray the wounded area each time before applying fresh bandages. Now, if we're dealing with some swollen and painful areas, then we can use this recipe, and it's called Quell the Swell. We'll need fractionated coconut oil, as well as 5 drops each of peppermint, wintergreen, frankincense, eucalyptus, cypress, and rosemary. We're going to combine the essential oils in a 10 ml roller bottle and top off the bottle with the fractionated coconut oil. Then we'll massage it into the swollen and painful areas twice per day or as often as needed. Now, if you have some head and neck tension, then you may want to give this diffuser blend a try. This is called the Splitting Head Relief Blend. For this, we're going to need 2 drops of rosemary, 2 drops of lavender, 1 drop of eucalyptus, and 1 drop of peppermint in our diffuser. If you're dealing with a lot of stress in your life right now, then you may want to give this stress relief diffuser blend a try. For this blend, we're going to put 3 drops of clary sage, 3 drops of eucalyptus, and 3 drops of spearmint in our diffuser. And this recipe is for an uplifting DIY body wash with eucalyptus oil in it. We're going to need 8-ounce glass pump bottle, a half a cup of unscented Castile soap, 4 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, 3 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. We're going to combine all of the ingredients into the glass pump bottle. We're going to shake it up good, and then we'll want to make sure to shake it up good before each use. Now let us know in the comments which one of these 15 eucalyptus oil recipes that you're going to try first. And click or tap the screen here to check out another one of our videos, and I'll see you there.